Golden berry farming refers to the cultivation of Physalis peruviana, commonly known as golden berries, Cape gooseberries, or Peruvian ground cherries. Golden berries are small, round fruits encased in a papery husk, native to the Andes region of South America. They are gaining popularity worldwide due to their unique flavor, nutritional benefits, and culinary versatility. Golden berries thrive in well-drained, sandy loam soil with good fertility and pH levels ranging from 5.5 to 7.5. Selecting a suitable site with adequate sunlight exposure is crucial for optimal growth and fruit production. Golden berries can be propagated from seeds or transplants. Seeds are sown in trays or directly into the field, while transplants are grown from seeds in nursery beds before being transplanted into the field. Golden berries are typically planted at the beginning of the growing season after the last frost date. They require adequate spacing, usually 2 to 3 feet apart in rows spaced 3 to 4 feet apart, to allow for proper air circulation and sunlight penetration. Proper irrigation, fertilization, and weed control are essential for healthy golden berry plants. Mulching can help conserve soil moisture and suppress weed growth. Additionally, trellising may be necessary to support the plants as they grow. Golden berries are susceptible to certain pests and diseases, including aphids, whiteflies, powdery mildew, and fruit rot. Implementing integrated pest management strategies and maintaining good sanitation practices can help minimize these issues. Golden berries are typically ready for harvest 70 to 90 days after planting. Ripe fruits should be firm and fully orange in color, with a sweet, tangy flavor. Harvesting is done by hand-picking the fruits, taking care not to damage the delicate husks. Golden berry farming presents an opportunity for agricultural entrepreneurs to diversify their crops and tap into the growing demand for exotic fruits. By adhering to best practices in site selection, propagation, planting, cultural practices, pest and disease management, harvesting, and post-harvest handling, golden berry farmers can maximize yields, ensure product quality, and build a sustainable and profitable farming enterprise. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.